If you've lost access to your Shopify account and cannot receive verification code, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Shopify login page. Go to the Shopify login page and enter your email address associated with your account. Click on Forgot Password to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Check your email. Look for an email from Shopify with a password reset link. If you do not receive this email, check your spam or junk folder. If you still can't find it, proceed to the next step. Step 3. Use backup recovery options. If you have set up backup recovery options, such as an alternate email or phone number, use those to receive a verification code. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Step 4. Contact Shopify support. If you cannot access your backup options, visit the Shopify Help Center and contact support. Provide them with as much information as possible about your account to verify your identity. Step 5. Follow support instructions. Once you reach Shopify support, follow their instructions carefully. They may ask for additional information or documentation to help recover your account. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Shopify account. If you encounter further issues, continue to work with Shopify support for assistance.